Okay, this is what we're jumping into. It's the silver Saturn silver philosopher's stone. It's a talisman, Libra in Saturn. And anyways, these are the numbers of continuation from before. On the top of the stone and the bottom it says 45, so I put 45 in each corner. Now to break down the 45, 45 equals 9. 3, 3, 3. I don't know why there's a 6 there, it's a mistake. 3. So it continues on as 3, 3, 3 is 9, 3, 3, 3 is 9. We put 9 on the inside. 1 doubles over. It does the same thing on all the corners. Inside the division of the space is 15, because that's the amount. 6 and 6. Can I turn this around? 7 and 5 is 12, and 3 is 15. Okay? 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6. 5 and 4 is 9. So now we have made a new inside. So now the inside looks like this. 9, 6, 9 equals 24. 6, 5, 6. I'm going to use the 5. I usually don't like to do it. What I usually do is I come down here to here. I go under the 5 and up, because this is supposed to be a hole. It's a passage. Okay? So what happens? I'm going to use it as the 12. 12 becomes 3. We get 6, 3, 6. 2 and 3 is 5. And the same thing here. From corner to corner and all around, it's 5, 6, 3, 6, which is 92, 92. 9 and 2, 11. 9 and 2, 11. And the first part of pi. 5 and 6 is the comet. And this is the angel creation, 636. 6 and 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18, is 27. 2 and 7 is 9. 9, 11. 9, 11. The other thing I was going to mention is that 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 times 3, because of the corner, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 27, 81, 243. 243 is jail. It's the jail. In here, 243 is 1, 3, and 4. Normally, this is 1. Normally, here in this scenario, you get 9. In the other scenario, you get 3 and you get 8. One, you get the space, and the other one, you get the cross. Or how can I explain it? See, I can't explain it. Can't explain it. Okay, so just let me continue. 6, 5, 6 is 17. 1 and 7 is 8. I'm not using the 5. 6 and 6 is 12. Why do we get 6 here? You see, again, there's some mistake here. Again, I don't like this. 6 and 6 is 12. Oh, yeah. I'm in the wrong spot. 6 here and 6 here is 12 here. 9, 6, 9 is 24. Cat and the dog. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 makes 8 and 6. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 make 5 and 6. Same thing. 3 by 6, 6 by 3. Put the 2 stars together. The creation of the angel resident, the letter R. Now there's more to this. Okay. In here is the 7 world. 4 and 3 is 7. They're together. 6 and 1 is together. And 5 and 3 is together. 7, 7, 7. When we total up 7, 7, 7, we have 21. We use the 7, 7, 7 into 1, 4, 5, 3, 8, 9. The total comes out to 30. Total comes out to 30. Number used, space taken. The total is 51. This is 21. This is 30. It's 51. 5 and 1 is 6. 39 is the space not used. Take away 39 from 51 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 9 and 3 is 3. 5 and 1 is 6. Now when we went on to the other scenario like before, and I don't like these videos lately, this is very bad. What I'm going to come out and tell you, instead of getting so deep into it, It's that these numbers that I'm seeing that keep coming up is that they're all saying either 666 or 333 or 777 or 444. And the easy way to look at it is 1625334, 769485, 13s and 7s, 19283746. This is the reason, because they're all joining. That's why you're going to get 333, which says that these comets, okay, and everything that's flying around in space, this, like I said, this place is alive. This place is alive. Ganymede, Uranus, the Moon, Jupiter, Callisto, Europa, Lo, Titan, Uranus. It's all part of the bigger thing. I mean, there's no way anybody can convince me differently. There's no way. There's no way. Just because I can't explain it, there's no way. I'm trying my heart out over here. Another thing I wanted to show you is the 13 worlds. 8 and 5 is 13. The space used is 7 and 5. 8 and 5, 7 and 5. The total is 25, 7. 7 and 6 is 13. The space used is 6 and 9. 7, space 6, 6 and 9. 15, 28. 2 plus 8 is 10. The 0 always gets a 6, so it becomes 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 9 and 4. 9 and 4 in position 1 and 2. 13, which is 4, 3, which makes Earth, but 2 and 1 is 3, plus 13 is 16, 1 and 6, 7, 7, 7. So this stone that is the silver stone, oh my gosh, Saturn, silver, Libra. Let me look on this computer here for a second. It says Saturn in Libra, silver table talisman. Order, okay, and then it starts telling you about a whole lot of things in it, and I can't grip it myself. I'm writing and I'm writing over everything I've done. So anyways, once we get to this scenario with 13, the total in every group is 28, and 25 is 53, and 25 and 28 is 53, plus 16 is 63, is a total of 69. Now if we go in the 13 area of what's not used, okay, what you do not use for 13 is you do not use the 1 for 13 in position 8. That'll be 9. You do not use for 13 number 2 in position 3. We give you 5. You do not use number 3 in position 4. We gives you 7. And we use all the rest. So we have 69 minus 28 equals 48. 48 stands for, that's what's left over. And that's the A letter, which is for all the angels. And S is included, and B and H, because you connect the two worlds. You reverse the swastika. From a swastika, it becomes an H for a hotel. Whether it's on this side or this side, we'd have to sit down and draw up a program. So now we take 48 away from the amount we spoke. 48, 4 plus 8 is 12, which equals, here, again, 21 from 69 is 48, 4 and 8 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. When we add it up, 7, 7, 7, 2 and 1 was 3. So we keep coming up with 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 7 of this talisman stone. So it definitely shows a pattern. Another thing I'm going to mention is what normally is, here's part, this is normally 3, 6, 5, 4, 7. Now it's 2, 7, 5, 3, 8, 9, 11. It went from 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 9, to 7 and 2, 9. It went from 4 and 7 to 3 and 8. It's the matter of love. L-O-V-E, 3, 6, 5, 4. The other thing I wanted to say is all the even numbers are in the boxes. All the odd numbers are on the cross, because that's the red spirit. That's your life. You're on the cross. The other thing I wanted to say is that, one, all these corners, in this corner over here where the 9 is, the 9 has a heart. 6 does not have a heart. In this corner where the 2 is, the 3 has a heart, but it only has half a heart because it's the 3. So it goes with the 2 because it's split up between two worlds. here is the ace. 1 and 4 is the 5. It's a whole heart. And the ace creates the 4 to become an X, because you can draw through the center. You can draw through the center as long as you have a dot that goes with the center. You see, this 9 has a dot in its center, and this one too. This is in the 2 position. So being in the 2 position, okay, it gets split between the 2. In this one, it's a 7. It doesn't have a heart. It has a divisible world. And I'm not quite sure how it works. When I come into the 7 and 8 card, it's a little bit different as the 9 and the 10 card. They show you worlds, not the 9, the 10. So, so we did the 7 worlds. We did the 13 worlds. The 10 worlds uses up everything. Except I don't want to use the 5 in the center in this equation, because everything will be blocked up. So if we did do the center world, we'd end up like this. The center world would be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, which would be 40, 10, 10, 10, 10, 40. Plus the empty space of 40. You have a total of 80. Now we're going to use the center. Now let's not use the center. Let's use the center. We use the center. We're at 90. 0 gets 6. So it's 96. 9 and 6 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. So we get 3, 3, 6, 3, 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 is 6. 6 and 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So we can get 9, 6, 9. Did you follow? The other thing is the candy wrapper. COC. This is east and west. This is north and south. You can't put them on top of each other. Otherwise, they jam, and you can't move it. It's the cross. Man lives on the cross. They go over each other. I didn't explain that right either. The other thing is, one is east-west, and one is north-south. Being east-west, 5 and 23 is 28. 2 and 8 is 10 equals 16. Being north and south, 14 and 19 is 33. 3 and 3 is 6. This one became 16. 1 and 6 is 7. This one becomes 3 and 3 is 6. The spirit of 76. 33 and 28 is 61. 7. 61, 16. The difference between the two is 45. The difference between the two is 45. The difference is 45. Difference is 45 of 15. One last thing I wanted to show is that certain things we see are actually the corners of a cube, or it's this, to stand Rubik's Cube in. Okay? Now this is going to be this design. See the top of the pyramid down below? See this top of the roof here? The way it comes in? This is the way the 7 world works. 1 and 6, 7 and 6, 4 and 9, 2 and 5. You see the way we go around? We go around this number here. Okay? In one scenario, we end up with like the elevator doors. But here's how it works. 9 and 4 is 13. 7 and 6 is 13. You start to see the way the beehive is created in this. 6 and 1 is 7. 4 and 3 is 7. 8 up to 5. But look, we don't go all the way down to the bottom of 8. So what we're actually doing is we're taking number 5, and to go to 8 is 3, so we go to 1.5. So this would be number 56. Then we go from 2 to 5, but we can't go. We go to 35. Becomes 35 and 60. And is it 65? 35 and 65 is 911. 35 and 65 is LOVE, love. LOVE. Comet is 36 and 30. Whoa. Comet. Wow. Anyways, I didn't screw up. I'd love to watch this part again. I'm going to check out what I did wrong when I spoke. The other thing is this. See the two little eyes? What this actually is when you put these crisscrosses on each other. This is the design it ends up making. You crisscross your 1 and 9 and 3 and 7. 3 and 7 gets crisscrossed because you have to add on, okay, the 3 to man. Man gets 2 empty spaces, okay, and they add on 2 more empty spaces on this side. They plug them in a heart. Now you got the 5 dice with the 7th gate. So, and the whole thing says 9/11. All the numbers. So it's 9/11 is talking about the corners. I showed you the star, how it works. I didn't finish with the swastika. I didn't finish with football. Did I finish with football? No. 7 times 7, you're at the 49-yard line. 1 more yard, you're at the middle of the field. I guess it's the coin toss, unless you're playing Canadian football, but I don't want to get deeply into this right now. Here's that number of swastika. This is counterclockwise. This is because of the sun. This is your sundial clock. This is the way it has to be read. Normally it's 36547, 365 days of 4 and 7, the doghouse, DG. And then this way over here. But I'm not going to explain anymore. But I'm definitely going to redo some of this because I mean, it's all I've been doing. Here's your H for your hotel. Okay. See the way the double rings? If you turn this, these will come apart. I can't draw 3D. Here's the jack hook. Why? Because 7, 7, 7. It creates the jack hook. It also creates the shin. Here's your same thing with 7, 7, 7, except I went through the 5 hole. I passed this 3 over to 5, down to 1 into 6, because I was going to use the 5 hole with the 1. It looks like a sailboat of some sort. Do you notice the pyramid here? And 2 little pyramids to hold it in the ground? I wish I can come out here and explain it to you. Anyways, Sameach. Hey, Sameach. S. H. S. H. 8 and 19 is 27, and 8 is 35. 3 times 5 and 3 plus 5 is 8 and 15, and that makes up the biggest pool ball and the black ball, which you need the 2 of them, because you need the 8 to live, and you need the 15 of one because that's our body bag, the 15. And it's also the distance of the clock between the center and the exterior of the perimeter going all the way around. So from here to here, you go 5, 4, 1 to 4 is 4, and 1 to 4 is 4, making it 8. Where's the other 3? Inside the house. Thank you for watching 7286 in this very complicated video. They're getting a lot more complicated. The more I can see, the more complicated it is. The other thing to look is, this is between 17 and 20. I want to show you, see this AACC? I want to show you something. When it shows over here in this corner, number 4 and 2, well, 2 should go here and 4 should go here, and get rid of all the big numbers. Because that's what it is. These corners are just a reflection, and we say a different number because it's a different area. But they're actually 4224, 2442. And 2442 is number 88, Herbert Hoover, Barack Obama, and again it keeps going. So we have even numbers at the corners that hold no heart, meaning they maybe have entrapped the Spirit of God or the vibrations we behold on this planet. Okay, thank you for watching.